What's up, everybody? TG here, and today we're going to be going over what happened today on this Friday in the market and the plays that I made. Starting off, not a good day in the market, as you guys can see. Another red day. We're getting a lot of them in a row. It's not looking good so far, but we are positioned pretty well for next week, as long as everything cooperates and things work out good. So basically, today we bought 2 shares of Amazon. So, I mean, I guess that's a plus. We got it at a good price. We're up 15 bucks on it, not bad. And we also bought 3 calls on Apple. So we're up 15 bucks on that as well. Wow. So we're loading up on Apple calls. You put about almost $1,000 into Apple calls. So we have those. Our puts did not expire worthless. We actually got assigned, so we have to buy 200 shares of Apple at 115, and it is currently about 112. So we're going to be down a decent amount on that, but we did collect a couple hundred in premium for it, so not as bad as it looks. Also, they're shares, so we can just hold these and continue to write covered calls on it every week and try and make some money back. Ameren continued to go down, which was not good. CVM went down, not good. Pfizer actually went up, so that was good. We kept our shares because it was under 37, so we don't have to lose our shares. So we're down 204 on it so far, but we got $57 for the call, so we're only down like 150. Plus we got paid to buy those shares at that price, and we got a little over 100 for that. So we're really about even on Pfizer as of right now. So after next week, if it is an up week, we will be up pretty well between the appreciation and the covered calls. So my plans for next week. Hopefully, TNA will cooperate and go up big, because currently it's sitting at exactly 30 and we have to buy it at 31, so not good. Already down 40 bucks on that set of TNAs, and we are down. Is that the same one? Yes, that is the same one. Down how much on the 30 and a half? It's down 68 on the 30 and a half. So we're already down over 100 bucks on TNA. We cannot let it go under $30. That'll be bad. Also, we don't have any buying power anymore, so we can't do anything else. We actually deposited $3,000 more, $3,200 actually into the account today, as you guys can see. So we can buy those Amazon shares because I think Amazon is extremely undervalued as of right now, and I feel like it is going to have a nice move next week. I feel like tech has just been beaten down badly, and people just aren't buying like they should. Like, when do you ever see in a month Amazon down? Literally September 2nd over 3,500, and now it's 30, barely over 3,100. So I think it is going to have a nice recovery really soon. And I only bought 2 shares of it. We'll probably buy another share, honestly, if it goes down on Monday, or I might buy more calls. I'll probably do that. I'll probably buy more calls of Apple. Like I said, I don't normally buy calls, but in this scenario, I feel like it's a really good idea, just because Apple has just gotten beat up so badly that I think it's a good idea to get these calls. I mean, literally in the beginning of the week, these calls are going for 8 something, and now they're going for 3. So our average price is 3. So even if it goes to 6, we make a nice $900. And I think that's very realistic. That's very doable. So we'll be looking out for that. We're going to be selling some covered calls on Apple as well. Hopefully get a good amount if we go to sell call. Why is this up so high? There we go. We could even, if we wanted to, sell 115s at exactly what we got it for and get $402 for next week. We're not going to do that. We're going to probably hope for an up day on Monday. And if it's around 115, which it should be, we'll sell a 120 call and hopefully get about $2 per for that, and get about $400 to lose it at 120, which would net us $1,000 profit, and that'd be pretty good. That would bring the account value up pretty big, and we'd be pretty close to $50,000, which is huge. That's really what I want to get the account at by next week. I think we can do it. I think it's possible. We'll see. We need $3,000. Hopefully Ameren will cooperate. Pfizer, CVM, Amazon, all that. I mean, we have a lot of stuff right now. Look at this, guys. We got 2 shares of Amazon. We're going to have 200 shares of Apple, 1,700 Ameren, 300 Pfizer. And we got our Apple calls, our TNA puts, our Atom put. We're in a good position right now. So we're just got to see what happens basically next week. A couple other ones I was looking at is like Wells Fargo, somehow up today. Not sure how. Everything was like down, but it was actually up today. So that was interesting to see. Yeah, all the banks are up today, pretty big. AT&T, yeah, it was an interesting day in the market. Unfortunately, just bad day again for tech. Tech is continuing to get hit. I thought we'd see a nice recovery. We did not. Tesla somehow recovered, but the rest of them did not, and that's rough to see. TQQ not down as much as I thought it was going to be. We were down a lot, 117 at one point, but the majority of it just coming straight up from Apple. So, guys, that's just the way it is sometimes. We're in a rough patch right now. But I think we're going to come out on top on this, and I definitely think it's going to come up pretty big, and we're going to make a lot of money from this. So I guess that's what I'm looking forward to on Monday. We have the nice weekend to, rest, relax, take our mind off the market, less stress. And we're going to come back Monday with this game plan and hopefully get paid for it. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you guys, aren't in too much pain from all this. I know some of us are. So just know I'm here, and hope you guys have a great weekend. And if you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. Bye.